Today, I got some bad news. Some bad news that you don't want to hear at all. We have a snowstorm. Oh, if you want to see the snow, just watch me take this camera out here. You'll see the snow out there. Look at that. It's crazy. That snow is freaking crazy. It's icy cold out there. But look at that. That's why I couldn't go to school tomorrow. Yesterday. Today. Yeah, I just hope this thing. I'm about to open some Gatorade and drink some as soon as I get it open. Well, let's talk about the snowstorm. Wait, okay, wait, let me flip to the page. Okay, this is what I wrote. 2/9/17. There's a winter storm coming. There is a winter storm coming to Pittsburgh. The last storm we had that I remember was in 2008. It is very cold. When you look outside the window, it feels like your eyes are being burned. I had to stay home because of the snow. The news said